since I could hold my head up high. And it's been a while since I first saw you. And it's been a while since I can stand on my own 2 feet again. And it's been a while since I could call you. And everything I can remember is fucked up as it all may seem. The consequences that are rendered, I stretched myself beyond my means. It's been a while since I can say that I wasn't addicted, and it's been a while since I can say I love myself as well. And it's been a while since I've gone and fucked things up just like I always do. And it's been a while, but all that shit seems to disappear when I'm with you. And everything I can remember is fucked up as it all may seem. The consequences that I've rendered, I'm gone and fuck things up again, again. Why must I feel this way? Just make this go away. Just one more peaceful day. It's been a while since I could look at myself straight. And it's been a while since I said
Oh, make me over. I'm all I wanna be. A walking study in demonology. Hey, so glad you could make it. Yeah, now you really made it. Hey, so glad you could make it now. Oh, look at my